Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the light in your Hampton Bay ceiling fan suddenly stops working and you are trying to figure out how to change the bulb, the process may feel a little confusing depending on the fan style you have at home. Sometimes the cover feels difficult to remove, while other people are unsure which bulb type should go back in after opening the light fixture. Since ceiling fan lights can be designed a little differently from standard lamps, taking a careful step by step approach can make everything feel much easier. The good part is that replacing a light bulb in a Hampton Bay ceiling fan usually only takes a few minutes once you know where to start. Let's walk through an easy way to change the light bulb. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Hampton Bay ceiling fan and allow the light area a moment before touching anything. Step 2. Open the light cover on the Hampton Bay ceiling fan carefully to reach the bulb area. Step 3. Check the bulb style used inside the Hampton Bay ceiling fan before placing a replacement. Step 4. Remove the old bulb from the Hampton Bay ceiling fan gently and place the new one correctly. Step 5. Attach the light cover back onto the Hampton Bay ceiling fan after the bulb sits securely. Step 6. Turn on the Hampton Bay ceiling fan again and confirm the light works normally.